York City on a snowy Sunday afternoon here in New York, a city that doesn't sleep. You're here now today on 34th Street and 8th Avenue. You're walking along 34th Street in New York City on a snowy Sunday afternoon here in the Big Apple. Another nice day here in New York. We're expecting snow like in the neighborhood of 2 o'clock. Just around 2 o'clock now. But it looks like it's going to be one of those snow showers with a little rain, drizzle. Here we are, New York. Like always, people all over, left and right. Snowy Sunday afternoon in New York City. Thirty-fourth Street. A little bit cold. Gotta be like I don't know, maybe 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Few people walking down the streets. Few cars. See, I'm Penn 1, 34th Street. Snowy day here in New York. Yes, sir. City that doesn't sleep.
And every
Continue here on 34th Street. TGI Friday.
Oh, we can walk. We can walk. We can walk.
The snow keeps falling. The wet snow. The temperature's not cold enough for it to be snow. But it's falling here in New York. We're now on 34th Street and 7th Avenue. We are on 7th Avenue and 34th Street. Crowd here. Close to Macy's. Yeah, babe. Cabs are left and right. Yellow cab. Macy's over there on the other side. Crowd road. Walking on the streets. Enjoying this beautiful place. New York City. Crossing here 7th Avenue, 34th Street. Subway line there, the 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Subway. Macy's over there on the other side again. Forever 21. Maybe. Rocks. Lots of stores. Here on 34th Street. Thank you very much, everybody, coming along with me on this snowy day, snowy Sunday afternoon here in New York City. A little bit cold, but I always enjoy the city no matter what. Rain or shine. The city is the city. Okay, jewelry is closed. I don't know if they're permanently closed or it's because it's Sunday, but I doubt it. Many places are open here on Sunday. There's Macy's. Biggest Macy's in the USA. Here on 34th Street. Pretty big building. Everybody's bundled up to combat cold weather in New York. Foot Locker. We're approaching now Broadway and 34th Street. Have the vendors here in the street. Like always here in the Big Apple. Everybody trying to make a buck. That's what New York is all about. January fire. Could hardly walk around these streets. So many people. But here we are in January. Things slow down a little. But they keep coming. Slowly. They keep coming till we get better weather in the summertime. It's rain. These streets are packed with people all over. Walking, buying, eating, enjoying the life of New York. An experience that everybody wants to feel. New York. It's a big city. A big apple. Here we are, Herald Square. Got a coffee shop here. Coffee, bagel, fan. Not too many people sitting today on the tables. It's cold and wet. Not too many people. Not too many people. It's not one person sitting here today. Summertime. Oh yeah, we have one over there. Summertime, these tables are packed. People enjoying their lunch, breakfast, dinner. But not today. Not on a snowy day. Today everybody walks. Nobody wants to be still in one place. Don't blame me. It's pretty chilly in the year. New York City. Traffic rolling. People moving. New York keeps moving. It doesn't stop. Keep rolling. Yeah. Here's the Big Apple. The city that doesn't sleep. New York, New York.
You got me a soda? You want soda?
You see people here from all over the world. All nations, all countries, all states, all cities.
Where that
Downtown New York. We're here now on 5th Avenue, 33rd Street. chairs, table. Everybody's rolling. Rolling down Broadway. Horace Greeley. Another vending shop over here. Just stop by and get yourself some coffee, cake, drinks. Over here, alongside Greeley Square, the back over in the corner. We're on 32nd Street, 6th Avenue. Dunkin' Donuts here, water, nice hot coffee, something handy on a day like today. Oh yeah, it's up. Walking here now on 6th Avenue, on the 21st. The ambulance and police in the background. There's always some excitement here in New York. Always something going on. We're now on 31st Street, 6th Avenue. Walk down 34th Street. No, 34th Street. That was right. That's 34th. Merchandise worthy. No traffic in New York. 4-7. Always something to see. It's a big city. Always some action. Non-stop. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you everyone for coming along with me on this walk here on 34th Street. Thank you very much again. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll be seeing you on the next one. God bless everyone, and we'll be seeing you. See you later.